Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to show you what I picked up from Pleasantly Planned, and as you guys know, I do have a code so you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase, and that code is Stephany15. But as always, I will have all of that information linked down in the description box below. But I am super excited to be diving into these new goodies. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. I'm trying to see if we have my what is this called? Invoice. And it does. So there we go. So I have a little thank you card. Thank you for supporting my small business. And it just says, thank you so much, Stephany. Have an amazing new year. Love, Casey. Oh my goodness. I just love her shop so much. So let's go ahead and take a look at these small sticker sheets. This new release is just so pretty, and I was in love with it. So we have this one that's called Rapturous. I believe that's what it's called. And I did grab it in the clear sticker paper. And as always, I like getting 2 sticker sheets because that's just the amount I need for my daily planners. And I tend to use these smaller ones in my day designers, so these are just going to be perfect. I love the detail. It has like that outline in it, and I just think it's so pretty. The colors are just so beautiful. And then I grabbed neutral outline. Oh, and again, we have like those black outlines. Let me get it together so you guys can see better. So isn't it so beautiful? I love the color scheme in this one. It's just so simple, so calm, and I love this one. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this one. And look at this one, Daydreaming. It is just so beautiful, so pastel, and just really bright but soft at the same time, if that makes any sense. And again, I picked up 2 of these. And I just had to get some motivational quotes. So we have, happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Sometimes later comes never. Do it now. You must do the things you think you cannot do. You do not find the happy life, you make it. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. Oh, I love that one. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Wow, these are amazing. And of course, I picked up 2. So these are her small sticker sheets, and these are just perfect for smaller planners. I love that. But she also offers the large sticker sheets, and these ones are just so perfect in my Go Get a Girl planner. And I plan to come back to YouTube. So right now I've been doing a lot of unboxings and setting up. But I do plan to do plan with me, so definitely stay tuned to see how I use these. So we have Daydreaming in the bigger florals, and you get 6 of those in each sheet. And then, of course, I had to pick up the neutral outline. So I grabbed each of these in a big and a small size. They are just so beautiful and just so perfect. I love these. She also had a few other designs, so make sure that you guys check her out because I don't think I picked up anything. And also, all of these designs do have their own coordinating boxes, but I didn't used to use them before because I don't tend to use boxes in my spreads. But I just received my Rongrong vertical planner, and I plan to use a lot of boxes in that one. So I actually should have picked up some boxes, but I think for this release it'll be fine. But definitely for the other one, I will be picking up some of her coordinating boxes. And if you guys missed that unboxing, I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But because I grabbed that planner, I will be using a classic size planner now, and I wanted to pick up some clear top dividers, and she also offers these in her shop, and these are her frosted ones. And look at how beautiful and simple they are. They are thin, and I love that about her dividers because it doesn't really bulk up your planner that much. So these are just perfect because I also want to see my page. So if I happen to turn to the weekly view, I want to be able to see what's underneath my divider. So I will still be able to see, and it doesn't like hide it in any way if it weren't a frosted one. So I do love these ones. I grabbed her 4-pack. I'm not sure if she offers any more than 4, but definitely check her out. Like I said, she has so many goodies in her shop. And then look at this beautiful cover that I picked up. I am so excited about this one. I am planning to put this in front of my planner. And look at this. So I picked up the vellum version of it, and I just think it is so pretty. But look at how beautiful this are. And then if you can see, there's grid lines. They're very faint but very pretty. So I think this is the one that I'm going to add in my Rongrong planner. I am so excited. I think I am now ready to set up my Rongrong planner with these goodies that I grabbed, and I cannot wait to show you how I use all of these sticker sheets. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.